Hello everyone, this is a new brain test for you today, and of course happy to see you here. We need to find the value of the unknown number. Right here in the middle we have unknown number, and we need to find the value of this number. Outside we have a lot of numbers, we have even, we have odd numbers, and we need to find our last number. How can you do this? But before solving this, I suggest you to pause the video and try to solve it by yourself. Write your answer in a comment. Right here we have A, B, C and D, so choose one option, try to think a little bit about it, and of course after 30 seconds we will check our answer. It will be more interesting for you and of course for me to check our answer in the end of the video. But before solving this, I want to start with even and odd numbers. So we have even numbers, we all know this. Even number can be divided by 2, we have 2, we have 4, we have 6, 8 and a lot of even numbers, and we have odd numbers. So I want to start with even and odd numbers. Odd number 1, 3, 5, 7 and a lot of odd numbers. Let's start with this pattern. Maybe we'll see pattern between even and odd numbers. So as you can see right here in the first line we have even numbers, right here in the second line we have odd numbers, and in the third line, so I write it as right here 2 and 1. In the first line we have all even numbers, in the second line we have all odd numbers, and in the third line we have all even numbers as well. So let's start with this. We find that right here we have even, odd, even. So let's work with this one. And I want to start with this. Take a look closely. If I rewrite right here our first line, we have 2, we have 4 and we have 8. What is the pattern between all of these numbers? Between 2, 4 and 8. I hope you see right now that if we multiply this 2 by 2, if we multiply it by 2, we will have 4. And if we multiply this 4 by 2, we will have 8. So it looks like our first line is the pattern between numbers that we multiply everyone by 2 step by step. So this is our first line. We multiply this number by 2. All numbers are even numbers, so it tells us something, okay? Let's go next. We have the third line, because I don't add the second line because we need to find this number. Let's check this logic in the third line. So if we have third line, we have 4, 16 and 64. What is the pattern between all of these numbers? I hope you see right now that if we multiply this 4 by 4, if we multiply it by 4, and this 16 if we multiply by 4 as well, we will have a correct pattern, because 4 times 4 16 and 16 times 4 equal to 64. So as you can see, we multiply by 4 all number in the third line. Right here we multiply by 2, right here we multiply by 4. So it looks like in the middle row we need to multiply all number by 3. Let's check this logic. We have 3 and 27. If we have 3, right here we need to find this number, and we have 27. If we multiply this 3 by 3, we have 9. And this 9 times 3 will have 27. So our logic works. And we find our answer. Right here, if we look in option, we have that our 9 is option B, so our answer is option B, is 9. But what about you? Maybe you find another pattern between all of these numbers. It will be more interesting to you, to your solution to this problem. And of course, I hope you understand this explanation. I hope you enjoyed this brain test. Don't forget to follow my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it as well. And write something down in a comment. I really appreciate it as well. Thank you and have a great day.